Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Carl with Cooking and Grilling with Carl. And in this video, I'm making for you a chicken and shrimp teriyaki. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. Alright, the first thing you want to do is start peeling and deveining your shrimp. Also, the footage of me cutting up everything got cut out. So basically you want to cut your chicken breast into like pinky sized strips or chunks. Also, you just want to chop up all your vegetables to your liking, and you want to mince up your garlic. Alright, so here's the shrimp all peeled and deveined and clean. And so now here I'm starting the cooking process. And make sure that your pan is really hot before you put your oil in, or everything is just going to stick, even if you are using a wok. Alright, what you see me doing here is I'm putting the chicken into a pan, and then I'm just going to throw it in the oven to finish cooking. I'm making a lot, so I'm cooking for a family of 5. So I did my chicken first, and then I'm going in with my shrimp, and I'm going to throw the shrimp in the oven as well, so they don't overcook in the pan, and then I'm going to go in with my vegetables. And like I said, the reason I'm doing this is because I'm cooking a large amount. If I was cooking a smaller amount, I would just do the chicken, and then I would throw the shrimp in, and then I would throw my vegetables, and it would pretty much be a one-pot meal or one-pan meal. Yeah, the other thing is, I know you see when you go to Chinese restaurants, you see them using woks, and they're able to get a nice sear. They're able to get a lot of you hear that loud searing sound coming from the pan. That's because they use a higher flame, and you're not able to get that on the stove at home. At least I'm not. So that's why I have to kind of do this in layers, because I want to make sure I get a nice sear on everything. So that's why I did my chicken first, then I did my shrimp, and now I'm going to do my vegetables, and I'm doing everything in layers and stages. So here I'm taking the shrimp and chicken out the oven, and I'm just adding the cooked shrimp and chicken back to the pan. And now I'm going to pretty much cook everything together, add my sauce and everything like that. So here I am going in with my teriyaki sauce. Alright, to keep it simple, I use the store-bought sauce. And now all you want to do is just make sure everything is well blended together, all your vegetable, your chicken, your shrimp, and your sauce. Alright, so there you have it. Chicken and shrimp teriyaki. Alright, so once again, I just want to thank you for coming to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm just doing a quick plate up right here. I'm serving it with rice. You can do it with ramen noodles, any type of oriental noodles, or you don't have to do it with noodles at all. I mean, if you want, you can go with mashed potatoes or whatever, but I'm going with rice, just a white rice, and that's just the way I'm presenting it. Yeah, so again, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and also give a thumbs up, and share the video. If you're getting value from this recipe, then you know, just show some love and share the video and give a thumbs up. I appreciate it. It supports the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. And by hitting the notification bell, you'll get notified when I upload more videos like these. Alright, so thanks again. Also check me out on Facebook at Cooking and Grilling with Carl. You can join my group. And you can also check me out on Instagram at Cooking and Grilling with Carl. On that note, I said thanks for coming to the channel. And God bless. Stay safe. Peace.